In many operations, the same scenario unfolds. Materials run out, gloves tear, and employees have to wait in line at the warehouse to get what they need. The warehouse clerk struggles with incomplete stock, so he calls the office worker who is ordering new supplies. The office worker is overwhelmed with orders. Every call from the warehouse adds to his frustration. What if materials run out at night? A closed warehouse means halted production, and every minute costs money. Where's that tool? Who has it? Where did it go? Every search costs more time, money, and nerves. We present our solution: vending machines that change everything. Materials are always at hand. Selection takes just seconds, and production runs smoothly without delay. The vending machine monitors stock for you and automatically orders when supplies run low. No worries for you. As soon as the machine sends an alert, the distributor responds immediately, sending a worker to restock. Your team can keep going without interruption. Lower costs, no worries about ordering, and the warehouse clerk can focus on more productive tasks. Automated storage management means up to 30% savings on material, ensuring 24/7 stock availability and overall more efficient operations. Want to experience the difference with Supply Pro vending machines? Contact us today and start optimizing your operations tomorrow.